I'm Steve. Got some leftover bits of 2x4. Let's do something fun. Cut them into squares. Mark out the layout lines. And there we've got a Tic Tac Toe board and all of the holes marked out. Now I just got to do the rest of these. Nice thing about this little craft project is it doesn't have to be perfect. There we go, and there's another one. Not perfect, doesn't have to be. This is going to be a tic-tac-toe game. As long as it's close to square, and as long as this makes a decent 3x3, perfect, not necessary. I don't know if this will end up in the final take, but so I've got circles marking where the holes are going to be and the hashes for where the lines are going to be. So just go around one side, mark all 5, turn it 90 degrees, mark them again, turn another 90 degrees, and this time the hole's going here, so I'm just going to do a hash, 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 go down to the next mark, and this is tic-tac-toe board line, come down to the next one, this is for the holes, come down to the next one, that's just a line for the board, come down to the next one, and this is for holes, so I just make hash, rotate it another 90 degrees, and I'm going to line up over here. Hash, hash, hash for the holes, straight line for the playing board, hash, 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 straight line for the playing field, hash, hash, hash. And now I've got all my points for the holes and the lines. If the wood is not perfectly square, it's okay. The holes, it doesn't have to be an exact measure. Close enough is good enough. And if you do a handful of these at a time, the amount of time that goes into each one is really not that much. You can churn out a whole bunch of these in an afternoon. And it's a great way to make use of your scrap wood. All kinds of projects can be made with little cutoffs from your wood. This particular batch is being put together for the Cub Scouts. They're going to be working on their Baloo the Builder, and I'm going to be making a couple of kits that is within the skill level of 8-year-olds to put together and have something they're going to enjoy and remember, and can be completed within the allotted time frame. Last year doing this project, I picked up a bag of 100 golf tees for $10. It'll take 9 golf tees, 10 golf tees for each one, 5 of one color and 5 of another color. So it's $1 worth of material for golf tees. The wood is scrap. The leftover is, what's your time worth? Okay, 13/64. That one. Okay, that's a good depth. So I've got the drill press set to drill more than 2/3, but maybe not quite 3/4 or almost 3/4. I just played around with the depth until I liked. How that held. So let's start drilling. I have 6 kits ready for the Cub Scouts to finish. I'll take you through finishing this with this extra one I made for the just in case. Miter box, and we're just going to make a few passes to cut a line to mark the board. Here we go. And then a bit of sanding to get rid of the pencil marks and to break the edges. A little bit of spray lacquer. And a hair dryer to speed up the drying. Half finished, and it's a great kit for Cub Scouts or a rainy day activity with the grandkids, or fully finish them, and it's something you can sell. Or they also make great Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers, an extra on hand. Oops, we've got more people than we expected, we need another gift. All it takes is $1 worth of golf tees for each one, and a little bit of time with some scraps. I'm Steve from Workbench-Z. Go have fun with your tools. I don't know what else I'm going to say there.
Hole in it.